Hi, I'm Goth Girl Punk here, and as somebody requested, can you do more squishy videos? So, because I didn't have enough time to actually order squishy, or the money right now to order a lot of squishies, so I just went to my local Walmart, actually, and I got the squishies there. So then we have soft and slow squishy. This brand. It's a ice cream cone. And it it's one of look, watch. And this was for me at my local Walmart, I think $5 for this one. And it looks like an ice cream cone. And then these are around $3 around. And it's the Squish Delish from Shopkins. They only had 2 of those. And they're series 2. Collect them all, it says. And it says slow rising squeeze me. Contains 1, 2 not each. So here is one. It looks like an orange. It kind of smells like an orange too. And like I said, it's a squishy itself. Oops, sorry. Not real food, just a toy. It's Jack's Pacific brand. And that's the orange slice. It's Moose Toys Shopkins Squishy. And I have another one. And I got a peach. It smells like peach. So here's the peach one. I don't even see these 2 on this checklist. But okay, I got a peach. Or an apricot. I think it's a peach. Oh my god. No way. Oh my god. Let's do it the other way. Watch I saw that. Look at that. So these are the squishies I got today. I think my favorite one is the ice cream cone. Just because it's so big and you can squish it a lot. But the one that I like that squishes really the best is actually the Squish Delish ones from, this one. And they have a smell. They smell too, so it smells really good. Alright? Thank y'all for watching. And if you're not already, like, subscribe, become a member of the Goth family. And don't forget to check me out on YouNow. Alright, love y'all. Bye.